Welcome back to my mini travel journal sessions. A few days ago, we started with a very simple daily log to help you begin your travel journal. Today, we're going to enhance it by adding tiny travel icons. These are extremely simple and you don't need any drawing skills at all. They just make your travel log look a bit more fun and visually interesting. They can also help you warm up to drawing the little things you've seen or done during the day. Let's start with a few weather icons. Maybe it was a sunny day and you want to draw a sun or a cloud, rain, thunder and lightning, hopefully not too much of that. You can draw a cloud with snow if that fits your location. I'm also adding a little sunset or sunrise over the water. Very simple shapes. And here's another option, the sun peeking out from behind a cloud. Just a handful of easy ways to show the weather in your log. Next, a few transport icons. My son joined me for this part, so you will see some of his ideas too. Think about how you got around today. Maybe you took a boat or a ferry, or you arrived by plane. Maybe you traveled by car or by train, or you took a bicycle. You can add a little drawing or whatever you used just to give the page a bit more personality. Now, here are some miscellaneous travel items. A luggage bag, a couple of signposts. You can write the name of the town or country on them if you want. A simple map. A little globe. These are just fun decorative elements that bring your pages to life. Then we moved into a few beach icons. My son is drawing again here. We took turns coming up with ideas. A sun umbrella, a sandcastle. You can even add tiny stick figures if you want to show a bit of movement. Someone surfing in the waves, a palm tree swaying, someone lying in the sun. Once you start drawing these simple figures, you can make them do anything you did during the day. It adds a really charming layer to your journal. And finally, a few icons for camping and mountains. A camper van, a little fireplace, simple mountain shapes. A tent, a few trees, quick and easy. So those are our 30 ideas for tiny travel icons. You can start with these and then let them evolve as you continue your journal. Over time, you will naturally add more creative ideas and personal touches. See what you enjoy more, jotting down a few notes, adding tiny drawings, or mixing both of them. If you're enjoying the Simple Travel Journal series, join me again in a few days for another easy idea. Talk to you soon.